Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a big, colorful house that's super fun and easy for kids.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a big triangle roof at the top of our house. Now extend the triangle sideways a little bit. Let's draw 3 straight vertical lines going down. These are the walls. Next, draw another triangle roof on the right side, like a tower. And let's add a vertical line going down from that triangle. On the left side, draw a small rectangle room. It's like a mini room next to our house. Now, draw a baseline under the whole house. This is the ground it's sitting on. Great! Now let's draw a chimney popping out of the roof. Time to draw the door. It goes in the green part of the house. Finally, let's draw windows. We need to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows. That's perfect. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so the house really pops on the page. Use your black marker to go over all the lines. Doesn't it look awesome?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Yay! We'll use some fun and bright rainbow colors. Cream color.
Wow!
Red color. Pink color. Indigo color. Blue color. Orange color. Green color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Look at that colorful house. It's amazing. You did such a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with us today at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, subscribe, and share your awesome art with your friends. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.